Hi guys, welcome to our channel. DG still won't take off the mask. Does it scare you? Is it ugly? No, of course not. Does it hurt? I went to the doctor, who said it might scar, but there is nothing seriously wrong. Was it change? Was it her who did this to you? Are you hurt anywhere else? How dare she? I am going to settle things with her. It's okay. It's okay. They are minor engineers. I will heal soon. Jian, your aunt takes her anger out on me because she's worried about you. It's not like that. So, Ji, why did you conceal your identity when you came to find me? You should know how worried I was about you. Because these wounds are ugly and not worthy of Jiuzhen, so I wanted to wait for them to heal before seeing you. Ji, why did you think that? I will always love Ji's face. I love her whole body. If Ji has scars, then I will love the scars too. Is it because I don't give you enough love? Does this makes you anxious? Does it makes you question whether this love is real or fake? No, Zion. Gives me plenty of love. So much love that my heart only has room for the user. So much that even now I am worried that this has all been a dream. But Dioshan is right. I am mediocre and useless. I can't protect or comfort you. I messed everything up. Why did I think that as long as we loved each other, that I could be with Zioshan forever? Why are you crying? I am not crying. You saw wrong. Don't talk nonsense. Dee is too worried about her reputation. Some say that love is a magical thing that makes people weak and vulnerable. So is Dee crying because she loves Jason too much? Answer me. Wicked little fox, she clearly already knows. Then you should answer me first. Why did you say that? Say what? Before you said that wolf smiled disgusting and refused my touch. Did I really disgust you that much? I didn't hate Dee. I like Dee so much. I could never hate her. This type of thing has a time limit. Your apology now can't make up for the hurt you did it in the past. Then what sort of apology will satisfy you? Since when has Dee been so eloquent? I bought some nice things online the other day.
Subscribe. Thank you for watching.